Hey guys, here's some progress on the GCM special event vehicle that I'm making, the Tonka Winnebago. Using the GCM Racing C-Max chassis, I got leaves in the front and leaves at the back. And I have shocks also, just to help stiffen it up. And a very long drive shaft at the back. Full transmission, scale looking transmission. I do have a 3D engine. I'll show you that in a bit. Server mounted on the chassis, and I do have a full chassis on this, which means this is class 1 and 0 capable. Very small tires from Boom Racing. And now let's go see inside what it looks like and what progress I've done for that. More progress on the GCM special event vehicle. A lot of people told me to keep the same paint job and not go with a wrap, so I'll probably not go with a wrap. I'll just put a bunch of stickers on. But I do have a driver installed. And if you can see inside under the sink, there's a bunch of stuff. There's fire extinguisher. There's a little guy at the back. Let's go see what he's up to. Got plates, utensils, and it looks like he's drinking Coke and playing with an RC. Or trying to fix it. There we go. He's got a little Jeep. Dirty dishes. Somebody's cooking something. I gotta find a small tire in there and fake that these boiling tires to unglue them. Yes, I do have a torch in the back. I got a not a gold sensor, but a sensor to find metal sensor detector, and a little cooler at the back. And yes, my door does open and close to hide the toilet. There we go. More progress. And the front does come off, so you can actually see the with the guy it's a little tougher, but he does come out. You can see the 3D printed engine in there, and you can see part of the transmission. So I got myself a class 1/class 0 class actually. Time to have some fun.